Hello everyone, welcome to Sweet Space Decor YouTube channel. So, if you love peaceful, cozy and stylish homes, then you are in the right place. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest video full of modern home inspiration and relaxing room ideas. So today's video is all about the space that is the heart of every home, the kitchen. The kitchen is not just a place where we cook food, it is a place where families gather, memories are created, and love is served in every meal. Just imagine how beautiful your home can feel when your kitchen is designed with love, comfort, and style. This is not just a cooking area, it is the soul of your home, the space that brings everyone together. That is why today we will show you some beautiful, smart, and elegant kitchen design ideas that will completely change the way your home feels. Just imagine a modern modular kitchen with clean cabinets, soft colors, and smooth surfaces. White or light gray cabinets with wooden accents create a calm and luxurious feeling. Soft LED lights under the cabinet make the kitchen glow gently and feel warm and welcoming. Now think about an open kitchen design, a kitchen that opens into the living room with a small island counter in the center. This island can be used for cooking, serving food, or just sitting with a cup of tea. It makes the home feel open, bright, and connected. Imagine cooking while talking to your family and watching your kids play in the living room. For small homes, a compact kitchen design can still look stylish and modern. Wall mounted cabinets, smart storage drawers, and hidden shelves help save space and keep everything organized. A soft pastel color theme with warm lighting can make even a small kitchen feel big, clean, and peaceful. Traditional Indian kitchen designs are also very beautiful. Wooden cabinets, warm earthy colors, and classic patterns create a cozy and homely feeling. You can add brass handles, traditional tiles, and open shelves to display jars and spices. It feels and full of warmth. Minimal kitchen designs are perfect for people who love a simple lifestyle. A plain color palette, sleek cabinets, and clean countertops make the kitchen look elegant and clutter free. Just a few decorative plants, simple lighting, and neat storage create a peaceful cooking space. You can also add a big splashes with tiles, marble, or textured panels to highlight your cooking area. Patterns like subway tiles, geometric tiles, or marble slabs can completely transform the look of your kitchen. Open shelves with jars, cups, and small plants add personality and warmth to the space. Lighting makes a huge difference in the kitchen. Under cabinet lights, pendant lights above the island, and soft ceiling lights create a beautiful atmosphere. Imagine cooking dinner with soft warm lighting and a calm vibe. It makes the experience relaxing and enjoyable. If you have kids, a family-friendly kitchen design is very important. Rounded edges, shaped cabinets, and easy-to-clean surfaces make the kitchen safe and practical. You can even create a small breakfast corner where your family can sit together and enjoy meals. Final thoughts, your kitchen is not just for cooking food, it is place where life happens, where families bond, and where happiness is shared. So just imagine your dream kitchen with soft colors, glowing lights, smart storage, and a design that reflect your personality. Whether you like modern, traditional, minimal, or luxury style, your kitchen can reflect your taste and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video from Sweet Space Decor. If you enjoyed these kitchen design ideas and home inspiration, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our new uploads. We post relaxing and useful home decor videos every day. Until next time, stay happy, stay peaceful and keep decorating your dreamy space.